plus 1-axis CNC press brake. A smarter solution for precise sheet metal bending. 7 controlled axes, Y1, Y2, Z1, Z2, R, X1 and X2. 1 electric crowning compensation for better angle consistency. Y1 and Y to keep the ram running in perfect synchronization. Z1 and Z to allow independent finger positioning. Our axis adjusts back gauge height automatically, making setup faster and more accurate. Beam-mounted X1 and X to provide precise back gauge movement. X-axis travel can be customized to meet production needs. Anti-deflection compensation improves angle consistency. MACHNIST, more flexibility, more precision.